So I thought I'd do this quick video on something that I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks. Our local radio club have decided to have a bit of a clear out, and they've asked me to test the items before they take them to any radio rallies. I'm going to basically test each item, if it's a transceiver, test the output, test the receiver, test the buttons, and if I find any faults, I'll put it into a note section for anybody. The club just wants to be transparent and honest as possible. Hopefully we'll raise some money for the club and someone also gets something at a good value, and they know what they're buying. So let's take a look at what we've got. First of all, a Yaesu FT60 handheld. I've cleaned all the items, so this one's come up really nice. 2m70 cm. It's got the charger and the manual. We've got an ICOM IC-202s 2m handset. Doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Comes with a desktop charger. Everything is in the box. We've got this classic ICOM IC-202s. This is the CW and SSB version. In really good condition. Antenna's intact. It's got the microphone and it's got the DC lead. I believe that they made a 6m, 2m and 70 cms. I think they've done FM units as well. I can't really remember. So this was very popular back in the day when people were doing hilltops. I think they're about 3-watt output, if I remember rightly. We've got a Yaesu FT8900. This is a quad band mobile. Unfortunately missing one of the control knobs, which I'm going to try and source. The microphone lead has perished, so I'm going to see if I can source one of them. 2 DC leads, a mobile bracket but no screws for the mobile bracket. Nice quad band mobile set there. Then we've got a DV repeater 3. These were used as D-Star simplex gateways. I think you could use it as a standalone unit, I'm not too sure. I remember them a little bit, but I'm going to have to find some more details online about it. But it has got leads for the 8900, so I think it was used with that. But I think we'll sell it individually because it's a bit of a waste to put a quad band radio as a simplex node. So someone might want just the node itself. Then we've got Kenwood TMV7E. This is in really good condition, but unfortunately no mobile bracket, no DC lead, and not the original microphone, but in really good condition. We have got a microwave modules SSB transverter. It's got the converter, and I think that is another converter as well. Then we've got a Yaesu FT8100. This is missing another control knob, and it looks like that pot is faulty and was removed. So might be good for spares for someone who's already got one. Then a Yaesu hand microphone, an SEM wave meter, original Tigertronic signal link, a boxed Yaesu FT230R. That's got the microphone, DC lead, the stand, the manual. So it might make a nice cheap 2m set for somebody. Tokyo high power 2m amp, 25 watts, 30 watts I think they were. Then we've got a Yaesu G400. Just a controller, no rotator, which is a shame. And a CDE controller as well, but no rotator. And a Yaesu FT480R. Very popular sets back in the day. Still quite popular now. Gives you SSB, CW, FM. I think it's about 10 watts output. Doesn't have the original mic. Does come with a DC lead. And then finally a Handhelds HVU8. These were a 80 meter through to 70 sems HF, VHF, UHF base antenna. I think these are about 8 foot tall. The only thing that's missing out of there is the U-clamps and the brackets to hold it onto the mast. So if you can get hold of those bits or make your own, that could be a good antenna for someone with a small garden. I might do 1 or 2 videos on testing the items, not too sure yet. I've got a few other videos that I'm waiting to do, so, but I just thought I'd show you this, some classics, equipment that used to be out there and still available on the second-hand market. Thanks for watching. 7-3 for now.